Ow!
You didn't hurt yourself. Let me see. Okay, it's gone.
Tana. Tana.
Okay.
Tana.
Tana. Always wants sultanas. Okay, eat your toast, please.
Tana. Tana.
More sultana.
Tana.
More Tana, please. More Tana, please.
More tapis.
Good boy.
Tonic. More tanas.
More Tanas, please.
Yeah.
Please.
Please.
Good boy. You love sultana. Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
I got your present.
Thank you. Is it a snake? Oh, it's socks. Yes.
Yeah, you told me you wanted them.
Yes. Thank you.
However, you have to try them on.
It's very kind of you right now.
Well, they're just the thinner, so I need to see they fit.
Perfect.
No. You know how Willie said he felt like it was a trick with me? I feel like today is a trick with him. I feel like I'm being tricked into an hour or so of needing to do my errands. He said he will stay here while Mussie's down. Is that correct? I feel like I'm going to come back to stroppiness or something. Look at that face. Face of a spouse. Oh, don't put on a pretty face. Are you going to be angry at me?
I told you to go.
Okay.
So please go.
Okay.
That's the point, but right now you're not going.
Okay. We're going to go do some errands that need to be done. Mussie was so super tired. He woke up at 5:30 today, so he's down. William's going to stay with him, and you're coming with me. Ding! Why do I do that? I definitely still feel like this is a trick. Oh! Mussie! Oh, look at this. Oh my god, Mussie. Mussie. Oh my god, he had my glasses on. He must have sat on them or bent them. Oh my god. I've already forgot something. Okay. Take two. Get my pliers. Bugger. Oh. Okay, that's alright. Oh my god. Take 4. Just leave my other set keys. Okay, hi guys, 2 down, 1 to go, got a coffee, ding. I always think Willie's going to be jealous that I got a coffee without him, but he'll just go to the restaurant and make an even better coffee. Truth. If you noticed, ta-da! I have my AirPods in public. I see some people walking around with these in, but I still feel like it's kind of rude. Like, I want to take them out and be like, oh, I'm not, you know, I'm not listening to anything. You can talk to me. Okay, we're home. We're home. Ta-da!
Cool, will do. Okay, will do.
Would you like my AirPods?
No, I understand. We'll work something out. I don't want you to be out of pocket as well.
I'm out of pocket.
Yeah. Okay. I'll send you the photos. Thanks, Theo Champion. Talk to you soon. Bye.
I'm home.
Hi, darling. Welcome.
All the errands done in under 40 minutes.
Rubbish.
See that? See that? Trick. Guilt.
What do you mean guilt?
See? You
That
go.
was not.
You go, darling.
I said go.
Do you know how fast I was trying to go? You made me
Who were you
so
talking to?
anxious.
Who were you talking to at the shop?
No one was at the shop. Myself, girl. How you doing, Jerusha? I'm good, girl. Just said to William, why didn't you make your son some scrambled egg? Because he didn't really eat any breakfast. So he would just have some scrambled egg now and go to sleep. He didn't go to sleep when I left. And Willie said, your son is on a Super Wings marathon.
Yeah, since 5:30.
Since 5:30 he's been watching Super Wings.
Super Wings.
Back to back.
Back to back. And he's still on. Still on.
No Paw Patrol.
No Paw Patrol. He said Mickey Mouse once.
But a marathon.
Went
Back to
the marathon. The Super Wings marathon.
Super Wings marathon. That's amazing. Okay, hooroo. Bye.
Super Wings we're going to Australia, Sydney, Australia, and they say g'day and hooroo.
Did they say hooroo?
I swear
They
to
do.
God,
They
the
do.
Australian version
No.
goes g'day and hooroo.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Tell the vlog what it says when it goes
We're
to
going to Sydney, Australia.
no, when it goes to South Africa.
South Africa.
In South Africa, they
They say-
often speak languages like
English. And they say hello.
Will's like, this is an educational show. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I knew I loved that girl for a reason. I share a birthday with not only my friend's little daughter, but Cardi B. She's on the 11th of October. Stop it. Mind you, she turned 26. I didn't turn 26. For those people asking, I turned 34. 34. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. We are having, we meaning Massey and I,
Daddy!
are having,
Daddy!
eat your pizza please. Eat your pizza, now.
Daddy!
Having little like tortilla flatbreads.
Mommy!
Filled with tomato and cheese. See,
Kid!
can you hear kids?
And the kid!
Kids? Where are the kids? You can hear them?
School!
I think they're playing in their garden.
School!
No,
School!
I still hear the kids.
Papa!
Please tell me you don't have a pen back there.
Papa!
Dear God, never let a 2-year-old get a pen
Spider!
in your house with white walls.
Spider!
Where's the spider?
Spider!
Spider, where?
Spider!
Okay, I'll come, I'll come.
Spider!
Yikes, Mussy, yikes!
What?
Bus? It's actually not called a bus, Mussy, it's called a semi-trailer. Trailer, good boy. Okay, Mussy and I are heading off to do a late shop.
Huh?
It's 6:30. Say hi, guys.
It's you.
It's 6:30. We're going off to do a late shop.
What?
The sun is going to set. What? Just because I needed a few things, and the place where our grocery store is, he can. What? He can run around and just play, and there's like an indoor play thing. So I'm gonna do that. I think Mum might meet us down there. But I'm gonna end today's Vlogtober here. I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogtober, guys. Bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, camera.